Why do men pull away? Right when things start getting good. One day he's calling, texting, pursuing, planning the future. Then
Sarah,
suddenly,
hey, I was just thinking
silence,
about
distance,
I miss you
cold
too.
replies. And here's the truth. Most relationship coaches won't tell you. Men don't pull away because they stop liking you. They pull away when they feel chased, pressured, or trapped. And thousands of years ago, King Solomon already knew this. Hidden inside the most passionate book of the Bible, the Song of Solomon, is what I call the Gazelle Secret. A principle so powerful, so psychologically accurate that it explains why men lose interest, why attraction dies, and how feminine wisdom restores desire. Stay with me, because if you understand this, you will never beg for attention again. Let's start with the hard truth. Men pull away when they feel rushed, they feel controlled, they feel emotionally crowded, or they sense expectations they didn't agree to. Modern dating teaches women, communicate more, ask where it's going, push for clarity. But male psychology works differently. Men bond through pursuit, not pressure. Desire grows in freedom, not obligation. And Solomon, the wisest man who ever lived, understood this perfectly. That's why the woman in Song of Solomon never chases. She invites, withdraws, and waits, which brings us to the gazelle.
Listen closely to this repeated line in Song of Solomon. Do not arouse or awaken love until it so desires. Song of Solomon, 2:7, 3:5, 8:4. 3 times. Same warning. That's not poetry. That's a principle. Then Solomon uses this image. My beloved is like a gazelle or a young stag. Song of Solomon 2:9. Why a gazelle? Because a gazelle is beautiful, as fast as alert, and runs the moment it feels threatened. Solomon is teaching this. Male desire is like a gazelle. Chase it, and it runs. Corner it, and it disappears. But create safety and space, and it comes closer on its own.
The hardest part of the Gazelle Secret is the waiting. It requires a high level of secure attachment. Instead of viewing his distance as a problem to be solved, the Gazelle Secret suggests viewing it as a natural tide. If the tide goes out, you don't chase the water. You trust that the moon, the natural pull of attraction, will eventually bring it back, and you realize the ocean wasn't as deep as you thought.
Why has he left? Where is he now?
Here's where things fall apart today. Most women, without realizing it, violate the gazelle rule. They push emotional timelines, demand verbal reassurance too early, ask where is this going before he's ready, overgive, hoping it secures commitment. That doesn't make a man feel loved. It makes him feel hunted. And when men feel hunted, they pull away. Not because you're unworthy, but because desire needs space to breathe. Now watch how Solomon's woman behaves differently. In Song of Solomon chapter 3, the woman says, I sought him, but I did not find him. She doesn't panic. She doesn't chase. She doesn't beg. Later, when she finally finds him, she says, I held him and would not let him go. Notice the order. She waits. He approaches. Then she receives. That's divine feminine wisdom. She allows absence to create desire. She trusts timing over anxiety. Solomon's woman understands. Attraction grows in mystery. Love awakens when it chooses, not when it's forced. That's how the gazelle returns. So how do you apply this in real life? Here are 3
This changes
Solomon-approved
everything.
rules. 1. Stop over-explaining
Oh
your
my
feelings.
God, I can't believe this.
Men respect
This changes
clarity,
everything.
but attraction dies in emotional overload. Say less, let actions speak. 2. Don't fill silence with anxiety. Silence creates reflection. Reflection creates longing. Longing creates pursuit. 3. Let him miss you. Absence is not manipulation, it's wisdom. If he pulls away, don't chase the gazelle. Pause, breathe, stay grounded. If he's meant to return, he will. If he doesn't, he never belonged. The Song of Solomon isn't just romantic poetry, it's a divine blueprint for desire, and its message is clear. Love is not forced, desire is not chased. Attraction awakens in its own time. So if a man pulls away, don't panic. Remember the gazelle, because when you stop chasing love, love often turns around and finds you. The metaphor of the gazelle is psychologically sound because it highlights the approach avoidance conflict. When things get good, the stakes get higher. For many, that spike in intimacy triggers a reflexive need for space to ensure they haven't lost their independence. The Gazelle Secret isn't about playing games. It's about having the faith to let love choose you. If you're ready to stop chasing and start attracting, comment the word gazelle below so I know you're choosing peace over anxiety. And if you found this ancient wisdom helpful, subscribe and join us as we uncover more of Solomon's secrets for modern love. Remember, a woman who knows her value never has to run after what is meant for her. This week, I challenge you to step back, breathe, and let the gazelle come to you. Click the like button if you're taking your power back today. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll talk about what to do the moment he finally reaches back out.